Hi, so today in this computer basic tutorial we'll be seeing how do we change the date and time. In order to change the date and time, first of all, so you need to know about you want it to have a 24 hours format or 12 hours format, and also which time you want it to look. It's an Eastern time or Central time, or it can be a Indian Standard Time, or it can be a any other country's UK time, and various other times that we wanted to add. So you can change that time accordingly. Suppose you have purchased a laptop uh, in UK, and you are carrying that laptop to USA, so it's obviously the time zone and the date also gets changed. So in order to do that, you have to update your time and date zones using settings of change date and time. So how to do that? So first, if you look on here, so let me minimize this. So once you minimize this, you can see an option here like dates. You can see a date and time here. Just click on this, and if you click here, so you can see the time and everything here. It's displayed as a July. Time is 8:50 a.m. So if you click here, if you just click on here, it will go to the past month. If you want to go to your next date, you can for the future date, it will go to the next future date. Okay, so presently today's date is like July 5th. Then if I select here and click on change date and time setting, so once you click on change date and time settings, you can have a date and time. So when you click on change date and time, so just you can update it. You can update or you can change the respective time zones. Okay, so here for example, I'm changing it to 9 so that it will, you can see the clock has been changed to 9, right? So if I click OK, so you can see the time has been changed here, right? So again, once again, I'm going back to change date and time, so I'm updating back to the original time. Okay, so in this way you can change a date, or I mean sorry, this was about the time, and you can also change the date and then click on OK. So you can see 7:5 is reflecting here, and then click on OK, then it has been converted to 7:6. So this is how you can change the date or the time. And also, if you have changed a location and you wanted to convert the time zone, to the suppose you have traveled from India to USA, or from UK to USA, or to any other country, so you can change to the respective time zones. So you can see a various set of time zones. This is for Bangkok, Beijing, Perth, so Law, Samoa, and there are several different time zones that you can see here. According based on that, you can update the time zones. Okay, so this is how you can update it. This is related to Indiana Atlantic time, and several other time zones you can see. Okay, so cancel so that it will not update any time zone. Okay, so this is how we change the date and time. So I hope you got a clear information about on how do we change the date and time. Thank you so much for watching this video.